kiddos, let's learn shapes with the help of different clays. We have different shapes. So this is hexagon. Hexagon shape. Triangle. Rectangle. Pentagon. And circle. So now learn colors name. Red color. Red color. Green color. Green color. Sky blue color. Sky blue color. Purple color. Purple color. Blue color. Blue color. Yellow color. Yellow color. So let's make circle shape with clay. Yellow clay. Now let's press it. Yes. Our shape is ready. So yes, this is a circle shape. Wow! Yellow color. Let's make next shape with purple clay. So purple clay. Pentagon shape. Now let's press it gently. Yay! Our shape is ready. Pentagon shape. Wow! In purple color, green color. Now little press it with the help of, yes, it's a rectangle shape. Press it gently. Now the shape is, yes, ready. So our shape is ready. Yay! It's rectangle shape. Wow! Green color. Rectangle has two equal sides and two equal sides. Blue color. Let's make another shape. So now we will make triangle shape. Press it. Yes. And remove extra clay. Yes. Now shape is ready. Wow. Yay! Blue color triangle. red clay. Now we will make hexagon shape. Yes. Let's remove extra clay. Our shape is ready. So, hexagon shape. Red color. Yay. Bye bye kiddos. Like